I guess I'm live. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Dubey here and I am a business mentor. I help service-based businesses get clients online, and if you are new into the community, welcome. I'm the admin of the group, and if you are a member of the community already from some time, welcome again. And start supporting each other, start engaging in this group. So why I wanted to jump in today and discuss this topic, because I have been talking to a lot of people in the DMs, and they just said that we are just starting out, or like we do not have any community, or we don't know like how I can get clients, like simple. Even though if they are doing everything that are supposed to do. Okay, so if you're watching me live, please put the hashtag live in the comment section below. And if you're watching me on a replay, because most of the people do, so if you're watching me on the replay, just put the hashtag replay so that I can understand that you are here. And yes, if you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section below as well. I'm always ready to answer all of your questions. So let's get started. I do not want to waste more of your time. So how I did it, how I closed like $1,500 client under 24 hours without any sales call. And this is something which do not require a whole lot of people, like community people. And this is a case study why I'm sharing with you, because at that time that I had done this thing, I didn't had any Facebook group. I was just having a Facebook profile, and that's all. I didn't had this group at that time, and that's why this case study is more important, because I didn't had that 1700 people cheering for me. No, it was not like that. So what I did, how I did it. So I did not do any complex things. You even you if to get clients online, you do not need to get complex strategies in your business, because if you're doing complex strategies in your business, you are just confusing yourself out, and at the end of the day you will feel like burnout, and you will say that okay, I'm not getting any clients. So I'm only gonna discuss the 3 steps that you can do to get the clients. Simple, right? So the first thing what I did to close such amount of client for my business without any Facebook group, without any website, without any sales call, and without any funnel. Okay, so what the first thing I did? The first thing I did is I started making community of like 5 to 6 people. When people say building relationships, they do not hit that number, like okay, go ahead and make relationship with certain amount of people. They do not give them a time bound, and this is the major a fall in the whole strategy. They just say that go ahead and build relationships. Okay, I'm gonna build relationships, but like how many? Because most of the times when people build relationships, they are just talking and talking and talking, and they're just not converting. And this is not we want building relationships that are authentic. Plus we want to build relationships with our ideal clients who are interested in our services. We do not want to get ourselves burned out by just engaging in others people post, or talking to people, saying hi and all those things. It should be done in a strategic way, right? So this is what exactly I did. I started maintaining a community of not like hundreds and thousands of people. No, I started making community of max to max 5 to 6 people. That's all. It depends like what is the number, what is your strategy, what is the process looks like in your business. In my business, I knew that I need only like 2 or 3 people, or like even one. It depends upon a package, but I knew that I do not want huge community. I only want those 5 to 6 people who are my fan, who know me, who like me, who trust me, and who are always there for me. This is a type of community I built. And why I want to explain it further, because most of the time when people on the social media go ahead and put something like I made blah 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 amount of money in after doing this strategy or that strategy, that's fine, it's good for them. But what they do not tell you is the real truth. Like closing client and just getting on the sales call. If people think that I'm getting like 50 sales call or like 80 sales call and I'm gonna close clients, that's fine. But before getting to the sales call, you have to do your 80% of the homework before. Okay, because on the sales call, there are only two things. That is, the first thing is the process, how it looks, and the second thing is the payment. That's all. Because most of the 80% of the thing that we do in our business is before jumping on the sales call. Okay, and this is the thing that most of the people don't talk about. Like, they're just like, I'm going for a sales call and I'm gonna do the thing. Like, okay, you can do the thing, but if you want the consistent pipeline, you have to do your homework, right? So this is exactly I did. I built one community of 5 to 6 people, and I made sure that they are my fans, they like me, they trust me, right? So this was the first step. The second step of my homework while converting them was to nurture them. It is your responsibility to not let your customers forget you. Okay, it is your sole responsibility, I can say. Because if you think that if you are gonna go ahead and show up once and people will get to know, no, this is not how things work. You have to make sure that your potential clients do not forget you. This is not we want, right? So in that case, what you have to do, you have to nurture them. You have to make a list of those questions that they might be thinking of before hiring you. Okay. So this is what exactly I did, and one of the group member were also asking that similar question which I had answered. Like, I am doing contents and I am getting burnout, and I checked in her all those things, and I suggested her that you are creating content, but are those content buyer intent content? Now you know the answer, right? So make sure that when you create the content and when you are nurturing your audience, even those 5 to 6 people, make sure that you are there, you are showing up, you are nurturing them, and whenever they have any other questions, make sure that you are the first one to answer. Okay, because most of the, as I said before, 80% of the deals gets converted right, like online, without even knowing you, without even jumping on a sales call. Okay, 80% of the works gets done. So the second thing, this exactly what I did. Now the third thing is, and this is, I cannot just stress it more, because this is the thing I see most of the people doing. And to be very honest, when I had started my journey, I was repeating the same mistake over and again until I realized it. Okay, so what was the mistake and how did I overcome it so that I closed $1,500 clients in 24 hours? What I did, I asked them for the sale. Yes, most of the people are very, I don't know why, like, they realize that if they're asking for money, if they're asking for sale, they are being icky. No, you are not being icky. No, not at all. Yes, you are being icky if you are just going ahead and even without nurturing them, you are just popping out in their inbox and saying, please buy from me. Because most of the times when we friend request someone, even today also, I got one offer straight in my DM without even that person asking me that who am I and if I need the offer or not. Okay, and that's why I told you that the first and second steps are so important, right? So please do not do that. In the third step, you have the right to ask for the sale if you have nurtured them, if you have converted them, like, I will say, if you have pre-qualified them, a better word, if you have pre-qualified them like 80% before jumping into, like, in their DMs asking for sale or asking for a sales call. Okay, so the third thing is what I did. I presented one offer of mine which was a completely new offer, and I give them an urgency, like an urgent period of time. Because if you are just offering someone something and if they are not serious enough, although if they are serious enough but they are like taking more time to take action, obviously we do not want such kind of people. We cannot just keep sitting over here and waiting for the response to come in. We want people who are ready to take action, who are ready to change their business a whole strategy. We want such kind of people, right? So exactly this is what I did. I presented them an offer with an urgency, and urgency is a very important part here. Okay, I told them, I created an offer, I told them that this my offer. First of all, I asked them that I have created one offer which includes blah blah blah, and it is available for only like 3 people. Are you interested to take a look into it? Simple. I am taking permission from them. I'm not just DMing them asking for the offer, like okay, go ahead and check my link and do all the things. No. When you have done all those 2 parts, the third thing, I asked for the permission, and I knew that I'm gonna sell out. Why? Because I have done my 80% homework before. I do not need to jump on a sales call. I do not need that, right? So the third thing what I did, I asked for the permission, and they said yes, I would love to see that what you have got in your new offer. Okay, and I just went ahead and I just sent them my whole offer thing. And let me be very honest, the offer that I had created, it was not a very fancy sales funnel. It was just a Google Doc. Yeah, and it was just a 2 or 3 page my funnel, my small doc funnel, which includes all those 3 parts which a person needs to see before hiring you. The first thing is that how you can help them. Like how you can help them. If you are just coming out and if you are saying me that okay, I'm a mindset coach, okay, that's fine, good for you. How you can help them, how you can help me, I want to know that, right? I do not want to know who are you, I want to know how you can help me. So first thing I included in a small my Google funnel is the first thing, like how I can help them, how my offer can change their life and their business life. The first thing. Second thing, now they know like okay, Priyanka can do this thing. Now the second thing, how they can trust me. First thing, I have already pre-qualified in the DMs, but also to give a cherry on the top, I linked my testimonials in that small Google funnel, Google Doc funnel. Okay, I just give my one case study or 1 or 2 max to max. And then the third thing and the very last thing is the urgency, that it is available for only the 3 people, and if you want you can just sign up here. That's all. This was my whole small Google Doc funnel, and I send it to my those 5 to 6 people. And even though if those all those 6 people did not sign up at the once, but the remaining like 2 signed up after a month. Okay, and even at the higher price. So in short, I converted all those people, the three people at the first, and the rest of the 2 people at the next month with a higher price. Because why? Because they didn't took the advantage of the urgency that I had given them in the previous month, right? So it was so damn easy, and it is a simple thing that you can do as well. If you do not have any community with you, if you do not have any Facebook group with you, or if you do not know that if people are seeing me or not, if they value me or not, you can do that too. If obviously if I can make such amount of money even just by my one Google Doc, why not you can do that too. But if you are into that stage where you think like okay, Priyanka, I have done all those things and still I'm not getting like any clients, or you do not have any signature methodology with you, because getting clients is no like tough. Most of the people do it tough, make it tough, sound it tough, but it is not tough. It is just about like putting your messaging in the front of right people. And to be very honest, you have to present your offer every single day. Okay, you have to present your offer, I repeat, every single day. Why? Because there are millions of people out there and there are millions of businesses growing every single month in this online space, and it is your responsibility to go ahead and talk about your offer to your people every single day. Otherwise they will forget you, and we do not want that, right? So this is the first thing. But now after doing all these things, and even after doing all those marketing strategies, even though if you do not know how to build the relationships, even though if you do not know that if you're like that, okay, I'm doing my Facebook group but I'm not getting any leads from it, if you are like I'm generating my email list but I'm not getting leads from it, if you are into such place, and even if you are in such a place where you do not know like how to attract clients, how to get clients, I can help you. So my program that is called Cold to Clients program, it is a program like it is a 6 months program, not 6 weeks. 2 months, that is the 8 weeks, is one-to-one like Zoom call. It is only me and you. And after that, I know that 8 weeks is not enough if someone is starting out, or even if someone is like, okay, I need more support. I know that 8 weeks are not enough. So in 8 weeks, I'm gonna give you the whole structure, that how you can close clients easy, even without jumping on a sales call if you want. But in the DMs as well, there are many strategies, but I will only teach you that strategy that works for you. I'm not gonna go ahead and bump you with like my 100 of strategies that are not working for you. And that is why it is one-to-one, because it is completely customized. Obviously every business is different. Some are VAs, some are SMM, some are coaches, some are therapists. Every other business is different, and that's why I have introduced this like one-to-one. I am not into a group coaching program. I'm not checking like thousands of dollars now, but I just want to make sure that when I go into like group coaching program in the near future, I make sure that I know how to serve people. Okay, it's not only about seeing people as a dollar sign. It's about like how you can help them, customize the strategy for them. And this is why I introduced this program. So if you want that, and I have like 5 bonuses included in this my program, which I will drop the link after this live. And right now it is on a like early bird pricing as well. So if you want to check it out, or if you have any other questions, it is not important that you will buy from me. Very honest, because I cannot sell to everyone. Everyone cannot hire me, and that's fine, that's completely fine. But you are in my community, and I want to serve you as much as I can. So even if you do not want to, you are not in the I will say in the place to buy any program or to invest in whatever it is completely your decision, that how you want to take your business into the next level. It's completely up to you. But if you have any other questions for me, like any other questions like sales strategies or whatever it is, you can always ask in the group. Always ask in the group. You can even DM me as well. I'm there to just answer your questions, because I want to make this community as helpful as I can. Okay, so even if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Even if you are an introvert like me, I have improved a lot. So even if you are an introvert like me, and you are just afraid that how I can share my failures or anything, I completely get it. You can always DM me, because I was like that before, and I completely understand. You can always DM me. You can ask for my support. Even if you want to check out my link that I'm offering for the early pricing right now, I will just put the link in the comment after this live video. And yes, that's all. I guess that's all for the day. And also I'm creating a lot of new content for our group, which is obviously value packed. So stay tuned and let me know if you have any other questions. So yeah, that's all for the day. Bye bye. I will see you soon.